Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Charlie Money PH, and this is a shorts. And just want to announce that I'm reviving the channel again, and I'll be focusing on beginner trading and investing. And I'll be showing to you my revised trading investing using a minimum amount so that first time traders would you know uh, have the same thoughts, have the same experience if you have limited funds to trade or invest in the US stock market. So this show is more on the US stock market, uh, commodities, and also we'll be talking about gold, silver, and what else? Of course, we'll be talking about Bitcoin because that's how I started, and crypto, but more on the US stock market. Okay, the performance, macroeconomics, etc. So speaking about my trades, so I'm going to do some swing trading and long-term investing. Okay, so that depends on the situation. Right now, I have like five stocks: AXTI, WDC, STX. What else? What else? Oh yeah, gold, SB, SW, Sibanye, and what else? There's another one related to semiconductor. So most of my trades right now are focused on high frequency or volume trades where there's momentum. So right now the talk is still about what? Oh yeah, about AI and those AI adjacent stocks that are also growing, like energy and other suppliers for the data center build up. And of course, gold will always be there, and we all know that there's a possibility that gold can go up again around 5,000 to 5,500 by the end of this year. So let's monitor that and see you on my long form videos. Oh, by the way, I also have a channel called Upswing Charlie, so check that out.